everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Sulpisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward to tell you something which is the most repeated question from your side. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. On your a lot of queries and the request, I have released one WhatsApp group for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling as well as the discussion group. Definitely it's a WhatsApp group, and to join that you need to follow me on my Instagram, DM me regarding the link of that WhatsApp group, and then you can join that group. In that group you have to just put your queries and your queries will be solved with the PDFs released and with the proofs and everything, right? Although I am solving your queries through my YouTube videos and through my Instagram stories and the shorts, but still I can't share the PDF in the YouTube videos or in the Instagram or in the Instagram story. So that's why I have created one WhatsApp discussion group for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling and discussion, right? So hope you like this concept so you can join as fast as possible. Now back to the topic. Today I'm going to talk about the most repeated and the most important query from your side. That is, what will be the expected cutoff in case of NEET MDS 2023? First of all, you need to understand the meaning of one word which is very important. That is expected. Expected means tentative. That means it is not released yet and we are just giving one thought or an assumption towards that, right? So that is termed as expected or tentative. Later on, please don't entertain me with this messages like ma'am aapne to ye kaha tha aur ye ho gaya. It's all tentative, right? Expected cutoff of NEET MDS 2023, that is the revised cutoff. So to calculate the expected revised cutoff of NEET MDS 2023 counseling, we need to do certain calculations and to do the comparisons between 2 or 3 cutoffs of previous years, right? As you can see, the cutoff which is officially released, that is of NEET MDS 2023, which is officially released and which is shown on your screen. In this NEET MDS 2023 officially released cutoff is the Journal category or EWS has 272 marks. ST, SC or OBC has 238, while General category with PWBD has 255 marks, right? This is the official cutoff which is released right now regarding the NEET MDS 2023. If we do the comparison with the official cutoff which is released of this year, that is 2023, and the official cutoff which is released previous year, that is the NEET MDS 2022, which is shown on your screen again. That is for the Journal category, and for the EWS it is 263. For ST, SC or OBC it is 227, and for Journal category PWBD it is 245. So first of all, if we do the comparison between the officially released NEET MDS 2023 cutoff and the NEET MDS 2022 cutoff, we came to know that there is a difference of nearly about plus 10. In all the categories, there is an increase of plus 10 on an average marks, right? So, similarly, we can expect and we can found or calculate the expected revised cutoff on the basis of this only. As if you see the revised cutoff of NEET MDS 2022 counseling, that is the previous year revised cutoff which is shown on your screen. General category it is 174, for ST, SC and OBC it is 138, and for Journal category PWBD it is 157. This is the revised cutoff of NEET MDS 2022 counseling. Now we have know this fact that there is an increase in the cutoff from last year to this year by 10 rank, right? So in the expected cutoff of NEET MDS 2023, we expect the increase by 10. right? So the expected revised cutoff for the NEET MDS 2023 is by 10 increase. That is, for the journal category, it should be in the range of 184 to 185 marks. For ST, SC, OBC, it should be in the range of 148 to 150. And for journal category, it should be in the range of 167 to 170. So this is the expected revised cutoff of NEET MDS 2023, which is shown on your screen, and we did it by the comparison and the calculation of the previous year cutoff and this year cutoff, followed by the comparison with the previous year revised cutoff. We see there is an increase by 10. So we expect that in case of revised cutoff of NEET MDS 2023, which is expected, there is also the increase by 10 ranks or 10 marks, right? So the expected revised cutoff again for the NEET MDS 2023 is journal category nearly about 184 to 185 marks. ST, SC, OBC will have the revised cutoff of NEET MDS 2023 expected is 148 to 150 marks, and for the journal category PWBD it is 167 to 170 marks. This is just the expected revised cutoff. Still, we hope for the best revised cutoff. Definitely it is released after the second round of counseling, and basically it is depend upon the number of vacant seats and the number of students who are left to apply or who didn't opt the allotted college or the institution. So that's all about the today's important query. Hope you like this video, then hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram story. Ask your queries. Join the WhatsApp discussion group for the NEET MDS counseling. Regarding the job also, the WhatsApp group is out if you want the dental job or the medical job. So don't forget to join that. Thank you for watching.